Missing Hanover man last seen at work in Montego Bay. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 20-year-old Jamar Mason, a customer service representative of Lockout District in Hopewell, Hanover, has been missing since Wednesday, September the 7th. He is of dark complexion, medium built, and about 182 centimeters or 6 feet tall. Reports from the Sandy Bay Police are that at about 5 p.m., Mason was last seen at work in Freeport, Montego Bay, St. James. His mode of dress at the time he went missing is unknown. All attempts to contact him have failed, the police said in a statement. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Jamar Mason is being asked to contact the Sandy Bay Police at 876-953-5312, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.